Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely, and welcome to my channel. I am so happy that you are here, whether you are a new subscriber or a returning subscriber. I joined Liana's Valentine's Day swap, and I just wanted to do a quick share of what I send out. There were a few requirements that you had to send in two, because you would send two of the swaps and then get two back. So let me go ahead and show you everything that I am including in this swap. Here is how I am packaging it up, and these little bags right here from the Dollar Tree are perfect for everything that's in here. Here is my embellishment book, and right here it says Happy Valentine's Day, and we were to include a dangle, so here is my dangle. We were to include it on the spine, and of course it is removable, so the recipient can go ahead and either gift it or use it as they see fit. And then we were to include some trim. So here is the trim that I included. And this bow right here, which I totally love, I purchased that from Sparklinggoul, who is on Instagram. And then right here, it says XOXO. And then we were to include a memory dex card. So here is my memory dex card. And I do have all of my information on the back. And then we were also supposed to include some Valentine's Day die cuts. So I went ahead and I put them in here. And this is a pocket, and the tutorial that we used for the embellishment book actually came from Craft Perch, who is Tony here on YouTube. And then we were also supposed to include a shaker, so here is my little shaker right there. And then after that we were supposed to include a crafter's choice. So what I decided to do is I did a whole bunch of words, and then I also added a sequence, and the sequence mix is right here. It's the same one. So that is what's going to be going out to for the swap. And then of course I have my information right there. And we were also to include a store-bought item. So I included this right here, and then I am also sending a pen. That way, if the recipient can write notes or pass it along. So that is what I am including in the swap. I will go ahead and include Liana's channel. That way you can go and follow her. And I will also include Sparklinggoul's Instagram. That way if you want to buy some stuff from her. And I will also include Tony's embellishment book tutorial. That way if you want to make one, you can. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.